Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Doni Setiawan from the Cooperative Economic Education Program. I will present my research proposal entitled Competitiveness and Determinant Analysis of Cocoa Butter Export from Indonesia. Part 1 is issues background. Cocoa export have several roles for Indonesia. The first one is cocoa export to contribute to gross domestic product. The second, cocoa export also contribute to improving Indonesia's trade balance. The third, as the third country that produce cocoa beans, and as a country that is trying to develop the cocoa processing industry, this sector also helps reduce unemployment in Indonesia. Cocoa products have two types, namely raw products and processed products. The raw product is cocoa beans, while processed products are cocoa powder, cocoa butter, cocoa paste, and processed food from chocolate. This research will focus on cocoa butter export products. However, despite this importance, Indonesia cocoa export have various problems. For example, based on data export volume of cocoa butter from Indonesia to 5 destination countries, during the period 2005 to 2018, Indonesia cocoa butter export increased fluctuation. There are many factors that affect the fluctuation in the volume of Indonesia cocoa butter export to 5 destination countries. The causes is influenced by factor of production of these commodities in Indonesia, demand factors from importing countries, non-tariff barriers in the form of security standards, cultural factors of the importing country, and the factors outside this research model. The first factor is cocoa beans export rate. In 2010, the government began implementing a policy for the export of cocoa beans as stipulated in the Minister of Finance Regulation number 67. This policy inhibits the export of cocoa beans and encourages the export of cocoa butter. However, the decline in export of cocoa beans was not as large as the increase in processed cocoa export. However, the decline in export of cocoa beans was not as large as the increase in processed cocoa export. This shows that the processing industry in Indonesia has not yet developed. As a result, the competitiveness of processed cocoa products, including cocoa butter, is low. The second is real GDP of destination countries. Real GDP is total transaction value of all types of goods produced in a country in 1 year using prices in the base year. Real GDP growth reflects the people's welfare and increased purchasing power of goods, ceteris paribus assumption. The third factor is relative price. Relative price is the ratio between the price of goods abroad to the price of goods in the country. The relative price above 1 indicates that the product is much more expensive than the domestic prices. Seeing the unstable volume of cocoa butter export above, it can be concluded that there are problems in the export of these commodities to the 5 main destination countries during the period 2005 to 2018. Further analysis is need on the diversity of cocoa butter export volume data from 2005 to 2018 by considering export determinant. Identifying the magnitude of the driving effect of cocoa butter export will help optimize the benefit of triggers and reduce the adverse effect of inhibitors. This study also analyzed the export performance of cocoa butter products. Analyzing the export performance of the cocoa subsector on butter products will help provide information on the extent to which effective and efficient policies are related to the competitiveness of these products. This study will focus on competitiveness analyzing using methods RCA, RSCA, and ISP. Analysis of determinant of cocoa butter export with the chosen determinant is the export duty of cocoa beans, the real GDP of cocoa butter export destination countries, and the relative prices. This study wants to formulate a hypothesis in the determinant analysis of cocoa butter export as follows. The first hypothesis is cocoa beans export rates have a positive and significant relationship to the volume of cocoa butter export. The second hypothesis is real GDP of destination countries have a positive and significant relationship to the volume of cocoa butter export. The third hypothesis is relative price have a significant effect on the export volume of cocoa butter. Next part is research methodology. For competitiveness analysis, use the RCA, RSCA, and ISP. The calculation research will be presented in tabular and graphical form to facilitate the interpretation of the data. In analyzing the determinant of cocoa butter export, this study used panel data regression analysis. This study used secondary data available from UN Comtrade and the World Bank. The determinant analysis of cocoa butter export used panel data with cross-section data of 5 main destination countries for cocoa butter export and with a 14 years time series 2005 to 2018 period. Next, research model in this study is natural logarithm of y equals beta 0 plus beta 1 x1 it plus beta 2 natural logarithm x2 i2 plus beta 3 natural logarithm x3 i3 plus EIT, where y is export volume of cocoa butter, beta 0 is intercept or constant, beta 1 x1 is cocoa beans export duty, this is dummy variable. Beta 2 x2 is destination country real GDP base year 2010 in US dollar. Beta 3 x3 is relative prices. Next, stage of panel data regression. Step 1. Choosing the best model in panel data regression by performing the show test, the human test, and the Lagrange multiplier test. Step 2. Classic assumption test. Follow as normality test, heteroscedasticity test, and multicollinearity test. Step 3. Model feasibility test. Follow as F-test, T-test, and coefficient determination test. Step 4. Model interpretation. That's all the presentation I've made. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.